Hello creators, this is a business website for healthcare services. We created this website in an earlier video. This website also offers e-commerce feature on it. This website can sell products online. Now we will go to the product listing. So this is product listing page. It has simple features like add to cart. Whenever a buyer clicks on a product add to cart, it goes to the cart and the view cart button appears here, and further the view cart takes us to the continue shopping page or the order page, we can say. But this is a traditional method to add products in the cart, and there might be some interactive and visually intuitive feature that we can implement on an WooCommerce website. So what is that? A smarter side cart. So what I'm telling, we can add a side cart feature on the website using the Caddy plugin, and this is the most powerful side cart plugin for WooCommerce. So this is what we are going to explore in this video. It has all those features that you might be thinking for the side cart, like your WooCommerce shopping cart is might be leaking revenue right now, and the Caddy turns cart into a sales machine. So you can read all these details. I'm not going to read the screen text. Okay, so the objective is to add side cart on this business website, which is using WooCommerce for e-commerce feature. Okay, so I have already installed the Caddy plugin, and let us activate this. And you can buy the Caddy plugin by following the description link given in the video description. Yes, of course. So pricing and all the details can be found on the official website. And the plugin is active, and I'll directly go to the setting page. In the setting page, we have general setting like powered by Caddy branding. We can enable, disable Caddy affiliate ID, and the add to cart widget menu can be added on the menu as well. We can select our existing menu of the website, cart widget sort code, where you want to show the cart widget. It can be manually configured on the page, and the post add save to a widget menu, and the save widget sort code login feature can be enabled or disabled, and the data management is also here. Further, we have the styling option, how you want to design your cart styles, and we have tools like database version information and duplicate cart detection, etc. features are here. Okay, so the thing is that we are going to enable the side cart. So some recommendation option, so we can enable the recommendation from this screen, and the recommendation type like the Caddy recommendation, product, cross sale and upsell. So this Sidecart plugin also brings the cross sell and upsell feature, so it is already integrated with this plugin, so you don't need to use separate plugin for this. Like we can use the cross sell, and the fallback is here just in case the products show no recommendation, so we can have a fallback or show the best sellers or maybe thing. So headline can be configured for the product recommendation. The display types can be selected like slider or row. The excluded products or the excluded categories all can be configured here. Further, save for letter feature is here, so it is very commonly used feature on the e-commerce website, so it is already here with this plugin. If your e-commerce store is not offering this feature, you can enable this. Save button on the shop page or save button position is also here. Further, the display options like desktop, where you want to display the side cart, like right side cart is very common, and open side cart display notification is also here. Display notification only, or even do not nothing. Even you can configure the side cart on the mobile, on the tablet as you need. Some offers, like if you want to enable the offers, you can simply enable the offers here. Welcome message is also here. Welcome registration message, announcement bar, and the rewards meter can be also offered using this plugin. So it is all in one feature for Sidecart and some add-on things, and how it works on the front end. So I'll now refresh this page and see the effect. So now we have this, And now we have selected to add a cart here on the main menu, so it is here. In by default the theme was offering a cart here, so we can add additional just in case if you need. And when we go to the product, so add to cart option is now offering a side cart here. So it is very clear and intuitive, and it is very good for having more conversion on your WooCommerce store. So like 2 products added and the total is here, and the checkout is also here. So it is like a conversion engine, or we can say the conversion tweak, so that more and more products can be added and the visitors may feel comfortable for ordering the products and how much products is costing and everything is working well here. So the checkout now is the same thing again, and it directly takes to the checkout page when the checkout now is clicked. So the Sidecart is a very good thing, very intuitive feature that you can use on your WooCommerce website, and it can be easily done with the Caddy. And as I said, this is the most powerful Sidecart plugin for WooCommerce. So explore this, and if you need any question, anything, if you have any question, so you can simply get in touch in the comment section, or get the same implemented through the iCreate program, and the mentors can help you in a better way to enhance the feature of your WordPress website, or even the complete website you can have from the WordPress experts here. So join the program, it is free, onboarding is free, and you can explore more things for your business website, for your services, and for your existing website as well. So see you in the next, and I'm sure you are a regular visitor and subscriber. If not, please subscribe the channel if you are anyhow connected to website development, WordPress, or the business enhancements. Thank you.